Next up here is MAR, Marriott Hotels. On my hammer scan watch list. Now I've been keeping Marriott in the back of my mind for a while. I've been just simply waiting for an opportunity to get in on some sort of pullback, and this may very well be it. Even though price did pierce my significant moving averages here at the 8 and 21, excuse me, it does still look very strong and very bullish. It has had basically 2 pullback candles and now failed to hold below the second one. So any kind of trade in this will likely have to be held versus this 104.90 area, which does coincide with the range that has now set up into the close here on Wednesday. I will be looking for a move above this range for a long above 105.05.26. I cannot type right now for some reason. There we go. With a stop loss down here just below, it's about 30 to 40 cents of risk, which is not too far away. We'll be looking at some calls out in the future, maybe a couple of weeks out in the future at the very least, to try and capture as much of a move as possible and see how much higher it can go. Pullback like this is not very deep in the grand scheme of things, based on where it has come from. I do expect it to do something similar to this or this or this. Every one of these pullbacks has been bought and pushed back up to new highs consistently since December of 2016. So at this point, there's no reason to think that won't be the case. So that will be the plan going forward here. On this kind of an entry, I will look for a move all the way back up here to at least this first gap fill of 108. And that's my plan for Marriott here going forward. We'll see what happens.